Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on multiple niches. So you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can sell this skill on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. You can use this for your own business. You can make logos for your own business, and you can go to websites according to your niche and ask them your services, and they will surely hire you. So logo designing is a very premium skill, and I will teach you this skill in just some minutes. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create vintage logo in Canva. So let's move towards Canva. If you don't know about Canva, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very easy, handy to use, and you can easily just uh, make logos with it. In case you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech, go to the playlist section. Here I uploaded a complete series in which I teach you about Canva designing all, and after watching the playlist you will surely know everything about Canva. So I'm click on create a design. Here logo, I click on this, and after that I search here vintage logo. Let's see what it shows. So it shows us different logos. So these are the good logos, but I like this one. It looks great, and we have to just change the name. So I name it like Treyer. Yeah, and luxury cars, and we have to like this, change the color of all, and background color into red. No, I think it's look great. Yeah, it's look great. After that we can also check some element related to vintage. Maybe we got some good element. Vintage car. Yeah, no, it's not look good. No, I think that's good enough. So it's good. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.